and welcome back to my channel. This is Priya Sharma, and if you're new to my channel, I would be really happy if you subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna make you learn how you all can achieve this simple and beautiful makeup look which literally goes with any and every outfit on any occasion. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Firstly, I'm gonna wear the hairband to avoid any mess with my hair during the makeup. After it, I am going to have a good shower of this Alps Goodness Cucumber Toner. Now I am using this Biotique Bio-Berry Plumping Lip Balm for moisturizing my lips. Before applying any makeup product, it's always good to moisturize your skin with a good moisturizer. And today I am using this Pond's Light Moisturizer. Now I am using this LA Girl Pro Concealer for hiding any dark circles and any pigmentation on the face, and blending it with a damp sponge. Now moving on to the next product, that is L'Oreal Base Magic Primer, and applying it to make a smooth base and minimizing the appearance of pores. Then for filling the eyebrows, I'm using Brow Artist Kit from L'Oreal and filling the gaps by making small strokes with the help of a flat brush. Now moving on to foundation, using 1 or 2 pump of Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and mixing it with a drop of Good Vibes Almond Oil. I prefer using it by mixing them because my skin used to become very dry in winters. You can skip this step if you have extra oily skin. And now just blending it properly into the skin using a damp sponge. For setting up the base, I am using Sugar Translucent Powder. It helps in controlling the oil and keeps the face fresh for longer period. Now I am taking this light brown shade from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it just above the natural crease as a transition shade and blending it with a very light hand. Now taking the brown shade from the same palette for deepening the natural crease and for giving a more deeper effect and blending it nicely with the transition shade. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow and cut the crease with the help of its brush. It is very easy to use this liquid eyeshadow and it gives superb results. Now I am using the same brown shade and blending it with a glitter eye shade to create a smooth transition. For eyeliner, I am using In Color Gel Eyeliner to create a perfect bold winged eyeliner with the help of a flat brush. Now I am applying same Swiss Beauty eyeshadow on lower lash line also for giving a pop-up effect. After it I am using Pack Kohl in Skin Shade which will help in making the eyes look big and opened. And now applying same brown shade on outer lower lash line for giving some more definition to eyes. Now applying this mascara from Faces which gives a voluminous effect. Now I am using this bronzer from Sugar for bronzing up my face. And for blush, I am using Wet n Wild Color Icon Peachy Blush for getting a fresh look. Now moving on to my favorite part, using this beautiful Master Holographic Highlighter from Maybelline and applying it on the higher points of my face. For lipstick, I am using Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Red. Now I am applying this beautiful falsies from Pack. You can skip this step if you don't like wearing falsies. And with this, we are done creating this beautiful look which you can wear with any outfit on any occasion. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more amazing looks. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.